Hello, Jardim, how are you? Are you good? Yes, teacher Leia here. I miss you so much, but let's start our activity, okay? First thing that we are gonna do on our worksheet is writing our names. I'm gonna write mine. Na, Leia, and I'm gonna write the dates. Today it's 3/04/2020, okay? Great. What do we have in here? We have a lot of dogs, right? We have lots of dogs, and we have dogs that are wet. Repeat with teacher. Wet and dry. Wet, dry. And we have here patterns, okay? What are we gonna do with the patterns? We are gonna figure out what will be the last pattern for each, okay? Let's start. Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. And what will be the next one? Wet or dry? Wet, very good. We have a pattern. Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. So you will get one of these ones in here. Oh, you can get this wet one, and you are gonna glue in here to create the pattern, okay? You will be cutting this, and then you will glue it in here, okay? We have in here, wet, wet, dry, dry, wet, wet, dry, very good, dry. And the next one, we have dry, dry, wet, dry, dry, wet, very good, dry. Okay, so you will figure out what is the pattern. In here we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In here we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay? Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry, wet. Wet, wet, dry, dry, wet, wet, dry. Dry, dry, wet, dry, dry, wet, dry. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Teacher, can I color this activity? Yes, of course, you can color many colorful dogs, okay? When you finish, take a picture and send to me, okay? I am so excited to see what you're gonna create. Good? And pay attention to the patterns, okay? Don't forget. I love you a lot. Kisses and bye-bye.